So dear viewers, here we are at Japan Jetro Pavilion. Here we have multiple companies here located. We will talk to each of them, asking them their products and solutions, how they are finding the Indian market and how they are finding compared with China, and how India will help them to replicate the business model that they did in China and do it in India. Sir, please give a bit brief on Fujita and its products and solutions, and how many clients you have in India. Please give an overview.
はい、私たちの会社は藤田ラッシュと申しまして、日本の愛知県名古屋に会社があります。
So their company is called Fuyu Rashi, and the main branch is in Aichi Ken, Nagoya, and so インドのぐらいのことも。
はい、私たちは今インドに会社がありませんけれども、今年インドで会社を作ります。
Okay, so they don't have an Indian branch as of yet, but they're planning to make one in 2024 in Delhi, and they have come here primarily to increase their client base and make connections with many Indian companies.
So how much you are planning to invest in India when you set up your manufacturing setup?
インドに来たらどのくらいの高値を出すつもりですか？
まだちょっとそこまでは分かりませんけど、我々はこちらで販売も工場も調達もしたいと思ってます。
So, well, they haven't come to the exact numbers, but right now they're thinking they would both produce and make sales in India as well.
So the point is that now the new dictum is China plus one, and a lot of companies of Japan are withdrawing from China. So how you are finding the Indian landscape and the opportunity? Can you comment on that?
今は、世界中で、中国からちょっと引きたい気持ちが増えてくるんですけど、それは、藤田にはどういう考えていますか？
私たちはこのインドの車の台数も人口も興味を示して、このインドでビジネスを拡大していきたいと思っています。
So yeah, they're thinking that now that they also follow the same sentiment and they believe that they want to expand in India more. Therefore, they have moved here. And apart from that, at the moment they plan to keep their China base, but in the future they will see how that goes.
Okay, so we welcome you to be part of Make in India, and also our Prime Minister's vision to become a 5 trillion economy within a couple of years, and then become a global giant, superseding even China and US. I think Japan can do a vital role in that journey.
はい、インドはこれからそのメイクインインディアという、ポリシーがあって、そのポリシーのために藤田らしも経済によく手伝ってあげると言っていますが、それは、インドにもいいと言っています。お互いに結構いいってようこそという気持ちが出ています。
私たちはインドのお客様、インドの方が欲しい、調達したい部品をこのインドでちゃんとしっかりといいものを供給します。
So yes, all the products that India and Indian clients need, they're ready to deliver, and they definitely look forward to working.
Okay, so it is a great journey going forward for Fujita in India, because they are capturing the opportunity, and we can see multiple other companies on similar lines who are here to do wonderful stuff with India. So we can just race through the companies which are here. Dime Co Limited, then Mori Iron Works here, then Sankyo Seisakusho, then Ansco, another company, Ansco, then another company called Tamagawa Seiko. So we have another one, Kurimoto. Okay, Kurimoto, then the company Kurimoto. Then here were three Express company. Okay, it's a security company. Yeah, can you talk in English?
Yeah, probably yes.
Yeah, very good, fine. So My name is Vijay Kumar. I'm a reporter working with the NFA Post TV. Just brief about your 310 Express company and how you're finding Indian market. Tell me briefly.
We have more than 20 years experience. We have customers in India, but we want to penetrate a little bit more.
Okay.
We want to expand a little bit more. We are specialized in security fastener like this. Okay, we have lots of type of the security fasteners.
Oh, security fasteners.
Yeah, all in inventory, small quantity suppliers. Every day we are exporting to all over the world, including India.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Like that. I'll send you more information.
So how many variants of this security security fasteners you manufacture?
Manufacturer customers?
Yeah.
You mean for
Means vertical wise, how many of them?
more than 1,000.
More than?
More than 1,000.
More than 1,000, no?
Yeah.
So which are all the industries you cater to? Automotive, defense, aerospace?
Automobile and small devices.
Okay.
Like a mobile phone. Yeah, and also they have constructors.
Okay.
Yeah, like using for the train station.
Oh, fantastic.
Airport, school, like a university. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah.
So what is the volume of, when you started your operation in India?
India. 15 years ago.
15 years ago.
Yeah.
So what was the turnover last year? How much was the turnover? Approx?
India, small business, nearly zero. Yeah.
Okay, right.
Compared with our group.
So do you have any plan to come up with a production facility in India?
Now for us, they have resetting period.
Okay.
Before the pandemic, we have the office in Delhi.
Okay.
But due to the pandemic, we closed.
Okay.
And stopped the operation for years.
Okay.
Now here is restarting.
Restarting?
Yeah.
Setting an office in Delhi?
Not sure.
You'll come to Bangalore?
Yeah, look. Bangalore. Bangalore is a nice city.
Then come down to Bangalore.
Yeah, best. I think the best city in India.
Very good. Amazing statement.
All right.
Okay. Great talking to you. By the way, please share your name and designation.
All right. I'm the tax timer. I'm the owner of this group company.
Great talking to you.
All right. Thank you.